Okay, welcome back. Now we are going to make the roof plan. To make the roof plan, I'm going to use a copy of this particular plan here, especially the grids. And this roof layout here, I will select them, then I will copy them somewhere here. Okay, now I will go on and lock this layer here. Okay, now I'm going to take this and change it into something like maybe external doors, no problem. Now let me activate the okay, so that's like it, no problem. Let's go to this one. We have that small roof there. Therefore we will have that line here. Now we'll have another line here for the kitchen roof, like determining the kitchen roof. And to determine the ridge line, we are going to measure 150 centimeters from here. Now this is the ridge. Okay, now I'm going to maybe extend this. Okay, now what am I going to do? I'm going to copy this one and copy it from here, so the remaining part is for the lower roof. Now we are going to put the ridge line from this point, the grid C here. That's it for the lower roof, lower and big roof. Now on the top here we have a kind of skylight, which is a kind of curtain wall. So the way I am going to draw it is going to this line here, make a line from center, and this one I'm going to offset it 45 from each edge here, because the width of it is 90 centimeters. That's actually it. This is how it looks like. And from now I'm going to place that simple line there. I am going to move it 50 centimeters from that particular point. Okay, move, and I'm going to move it 50 centimeters. Okay, that's it here. Now I'm going to continue offset into 50 centimeters here. 50. Great. This way. Okay, and this way. Okay, let me select these ones, remove the grids, and I'm going to mirror them. Okay, like this. I say no, and what I'm doing is to pick all these lines here and change them into other types of I'm actually going to change them into hatches. Okay, even these ones, I don't want them to be thicker ones. Okay, so this one is still connected. I'm going to kind of break them. Okay, I want to break this one. Let me go to modify. I'm going to pin it here, and I'm going to break at this point, and also I want this point to be here, and this one is going to be here, and this I'm going to break it also into this point, and these ones, these two are going to change into hatches. Okay, now we go with our particular roof. Now for this one we can now use hatches. What I'm going to do, I'm going to hide this layer, the grids, and now go to let me first of all unpin that setting and then go to hatches. I'm going to choose line. Okay, let me go down this one, then I'm going to change the scale to something like 3 maybe. Let me see. Okay, let me see if this, no, this one is not going to work. And first of all, I'm going to go to hatches. Okay, let me go to hatches again, and this time I'm going to put 10. And when I come in here, I think this is okay. Okay, now I'm going to do it here also. Okay, really sorry for that. And yeah, that's actually it, but I want to change this one, the color of it. I'm going to change it into by layer. Okay, so it changes into that. This is how this one looks like. Now we have the other one here. Let me go to hatches. I will go to these ones. Okay, on those sides. Now I'll say I close or hit escape. Now I go to match properties. I will pick the properties of the hatches and put it, transfer them to this particular side. Okay, now we will remain with these roof extensions here. I go to hatches again and go to these parts and these parts here, click close, and I will pick the match properties, no problem. Pick these ones, and this is how we shall look these things like. Now let me maybe change this one into something a little bit darker to kind of simulate that these ones are a little bit down compared to the top ones. Okay, even these lines, I'm going to change them into something that is much darker like this. You can possibly see that we are able to simulate that. So this one is the lower one, this one is the upper, and these are the very low ones. Okay, so even this one, maybe I can change it into something like not so dark, something like this, to kind of show that these ones are a little bit up compared to the other ones. Okay, that's it for our roof plan. Let's go back to grids and activate the grids again. Okay, that's it.